You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
All right, guys, so with the Bowflex Max Trainer, can you lose weight? Yeah. It's the machine I work out on. You think I was going to say no? Yeah, you can lose weight. You can lose weight by walking around the block. Is this machine alone going to allow you to lose weight? No. It's a real simple concept here, guys. This is going to give you a 14-minute workout and blast your calories and blast the fat in a short amount of time. It's an awesome machine. But unless you control your eating habits, you're doing it for nothing. You can work out every day, and every day your cardio will be great, your endurance will be great, you will be strong, but unless you control your intake versus the calories that you're burning, all that's for nothing. So can you lose weight? Yeah. If you do it in coordinates with what you eat. It's a real simple concept. I'll tell you real easy. Your calories coming in have to be less than the calories that you're burning. Example, your average guy burns about 2,000 to 2,400 calories every day. Your average female, in between 1,500 to 1,800 every day, okay? So therefore, that's why a diet is based on 2,000 calories. So your intake is always a little less than your burning, and that way you don't get fat. So if your intake is 2,400 and your burning is 2,400, you're at a standstill, okay? Watch what you eat, keep control of those calories, come here every day, and I will help you blast the extra calories that you need to blast in a day, okay? It's that real simple. So, what better workout on the Bowflex Max Trainer than to go to the, I think it's the fat burning. I'll look it up when we get ready to go. Also, guys, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. Hit the subscribe. Also, hit the bell. That way you know every time I have a brand new video, which is just about every day. So, with that being said, let's get ready to work out together. I'm going to set my iPhone watch. Let's find our elliptical. Okay. We got that. Let's find the, I believe it's called, that's the calorie fat burn. All right. So, in 3, 2, 1, hit that start button and let's get into it. Now on this program here, you don't have to select the resistance. It's going to do it for you. Guys, if you're working out on the M3, the M5, the M7, the machine itself is all the same. Alright, we just went up to 16 on the resistance. The machine itself is all the same. It's the control panel and the programs that it offers that makes the difference. So, don't worry about what machine you have. Just set it on the best program that the machine has and work out with us anyway. Alright. Let's get a little music going. Oh, we just went up to 20. saving my breath a little bit here. Just got home from work. There we go. It's a 15-minute program, 6 stages. As always, I want to burn 300 or more calories. I want you to work out the same amount of time with me, but take it at your level. We're in stage 2 already. I'm not going to talk that much. This is a killer program right here. .153 on a heart rate. calories. Celebrate that. Still only stage 2. Resistance of 12, it's dropping down. It's the end of this program to get you. That's it. Pay attention to my pace. On the heart rate. Still in stage 2. Just turn to stage 3. And the resistance came down a little more. Back up to 20, it's going to be like hitting a brick wall. When that happens, just maintain. You'll be alright. Don't try to kill it. Resistance of 6. We still got to drop down one more before it goes all the way up. Try to stay above 20 RPMs. There we are. More resistance. But the key was here for a few more. It's going to go straight up to resistance of 20. Just adjust to it. Don't let it freak you out. upper body. There you go. Halfway done. Alright, just went down to 10. It's going to pop back up to 20 in a minute. Don't kill yourself. Just adjust into it. Comfortable with it. That's it. Focus on me. Don't worry about the workout. Keep pumping. Alright. Now, just drop down to 10. It's going to drop down to 4. Back up to 10. And it's going to keep us on 20 for a long time. Just go with it. Feels good, doesn't it? Get that drink of water now. There you go. Alright, went up to 10. Just get comfortable. Don't fear that hard resistance. Just relax. Work your way through it. Alright, there it is. Now, just relax. Even if you have to slow down, don't quit. Stage 5. Only 4 minutes left. You ain't come all this way to quit. That's it. Go with my cadence. Use some arms. Help them legs out. Climb that hill. If you quit now, you're You're only quitting yourself. Don't do that. Climbing that hill. Stage 6. 2.5 minutes. Anyone can do that. Stay with it. You can slow down. Don't quit. Two-minute warning. Ding, 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 ding. Stay with it. Come on. Get your groove on. $375 on the calories. Can we get 400? Keep pumping. Got really easy. One minute to go. 10 calories to get 400. I don't know. Might be too easy of a spin. We're gonna try. Alright, finish the race. 30 seconds. Don't you quit. We go through the finish line here. Come on. 15 seconds. You got this. Nice. Beautiful. Okay. 414 calories on the fat burn. Control your eating. Remember what we talked about? And I'll see you on the next one.